I love jewelry. What's even better is being too poor to afford the jewelry that I want, so I have to make it. It's a bit rewarding when you do it that way. However, as with most hobbies, it can be expensive as well as messy, especially if you don't have your own space to work in. I got fed up with having to work on a piece of wood and decided to do something about it. So this video is the creation, destruction, and restoration of my jewelry studio. I hope you enjoy.
Yeah, you've been staring at me.
This is what we're working with now. All of this is going to be, well, this isn't going to be knocked away. So it has towels already, so that's good. So we won't have to add towels. I'm just going to power wash the floor.
Supervisor checking to make sure the job is done properly. Go on. Okay guys, we're at the end of day one, and this is what we've done so far. We've knocked out these three sections, removed one of these banisters that was here, cut away the tiles in line with the wall where the new wall is going to line up. Right, staple tunes for day two.
Rico and cow. So let's cover it over, huh? Shall we? Oh, we can't because who's in there? Who is in there? Taco's in there.
Because he thinks he's a ninja. There you go. Danny, please don't break her foot. Danny, please don't break her foot. Hello, OJ. It's a very small space. Very, very small.
Blue moon, kinda mysterious, shaded with someone I'm not really into. Do you need to fix it? Talking bullshit. It's hard to see you when your eyes look dull. Who's gonna save you? Gonna make you not blue. Not blue. work out a song on a rerun. Are you hound dog tired singing all night long? Who's gonna save you? Who's gonna make you not blue? Not blue. Not blue.
So white and so clean, clean. Ain't nobody can test me. I got this white and so clean, clean. Ain't nobody don't test me. I got this white and so clean, clean.
This is the next day. You would think it looks better, but no. Still looks a hot mess.
You have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that. Because you don't know who you're going to meet. Because you don't know who you're going to meet.
Down here really looks a mess, but don't worry about it. Up here it looks nice though, right? But it looks better than it used to before. My battery's gonna die, so let me do this quickly. I'm gonna finish that tomorrow, but look how much better it looks in here. This is what we're dealing with now, and this is how it will stay. I have to move those things there in the corner. After Mrs. Superior Cocktails are supposed to go on top of here.
Oh god, I can't let me.
It literally squeezes the metal.
Brother, what's that? What's that, brother?
Have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that. Because you don't know who you're going to meet.
This is the end. Okay, let me give you all a quick little tour. This is a table where I'm going to saw. I use my drill to drill anything. I don't know that hat is there. I need to move it. Okay, let me move it now. I forget. This is a tool table. Has my vise on it, my drill press, and my rolling mill. And then everything else I need to keep for these are going to be in here and down there. Then you have my sander, the tumbler. This is the best it's gonna look, okay? So let's just be happy, cause yeah, this is how it's going to look. I think I did a good job and I hope to keep it like this.